I'm so shy when people come. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. We are here in the old town of Warsaw and I'm going to show you how is the old town in the moment of coronavirus. Guys, you have to think that today is Saturday, March, and Old Town normally is full and the situation is like this. So fucking cold. It was no minutes ago. And nothing, but look. Walk and don't be shy, walk and don't be shy, walk and don't be shy. Okay, are we going now to my favorite square in Old Town or maybe in Old Warsaw? I will show you the situation. Are we here in the one of the main square in the Old Town of Warsaw? It's a square with the mermaid, the symbol of Warsaw. The story of this mermaid is really romantic story, so I got to check for it because I don't remember, I'm sorry. Normally here is full of people, but now the situation is like this. Now let's go to the main square where there is the castle. Okay guys, we are here in the main square of the old town. You can see on my back the Sigismund's column is the king that brought the capital from Krakow to Warsaw. Then you have here the castle where the king were living. Today it's Saturday, so it should be really full of people, and now the situation is like this and it's really sad. Not to say. Fa freddissimo, fa freddissimo. Okay guys, I show you the old town in Warsaw during the coronavirus, and now I'm coming back to home. I'm actually living here in the old town, so for this I just came out to show you. It's not start to write, oh you should be at home, why you don't stay at home, it's so dangerous. And so fucking cold, so fucking cold. Come cazzo si chiama questo? Sigmund Freud.